something about your association with Bibla.
I have long admired Avan and Adhuna, and I think they're extraordinary women who are creating benchmarks for everybody else to follow and to be inspired by, whether it's their work in film or it's the fact that this is the 18th salon that they've launched. I think Bee Blunt is one of the most inspiring stories, and I'm very, very proud and happy to have just inaugurated their
thank
Mallard
you.
salon.
Thank you.
And yeah, they're empowering individuals through the opportunities that they're providing them at the workplace. They're redefining the narrative of hairdressing in India. I think they've done some extraordinary work together, and they're awesome ladies, and I love them.
And tell us something about Bibla brand. What kind of brand is this? Or,
What kind of a brand it is? It's a hairdressing brand.
but how much brand? मतलब मुंबई में कितने brand है और
Total number of brands are these are 18 salon. In Bombay, I think these are 8 salon, and we have one in Dubai, and we're
They've
just
launched their own products. They're doing so much.
films, product development, academy. So we have different aspects to the brand.
in your association with BSG?
The Edge is a very old friend and client. Yes.
I'd just like to say something, please. That we are extremely honored that Dia is here with us today, and we can't thank her enough. We can't thank you enough for being part of this very special day with us. Thank you, Dia.
Not at all. My pleasure.
भैया जी आपका सबसे बेस्ट मेकओवर या बेस्ट हेयर स्टाइल जो अभी भी आपको पसंद है वो कुछ यादगार चीज़ याद है?
हाँ बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि बहुत रिसेंटली हुआ पिछले साल. आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड वेरी लॉन्ग हेयर माई एंटायर लाइफ. आई थिंक आई हैव जस्ट गॉन शॉर्ट वंस और ट्वाइस फॉर फिल्म्स. एंड अर्ली लास्ट ईयर मेरी शादी हो चुकी थी. आई हैड worn my hair long for a really long time. I was getting really fidgety, and I wanted a change. And Odd gave me the shortest haircut I've ever worn, which was like a bob. It was really short. It's growing out. It's growing back out
looks
now,
amazing in.
and I really enjoyed it. And I remember sitting in that chair, wanting it, but like every girl who's had long hair for most part of her life and is attached to it, I was really scared. But it was just this effortless ease with which she just went through my hair and she cut it, and I loved it. And I remember thinking, लोग समझते नहीं है ये जब हम कहते हैं, लेकिन लड़कियां ये समझेंगी इस बात को कि जब when you want your hair long for really long and you just let it go, it does things for you.
Liberating.
It's liberating. It just makes you free. And yeah, she gave me my freedom last year. And I really enjoyed it. So that's my big hair moment.
Is there any upcoming project in the pipeline which you'd like to share with us?
There's lots. There's some wonderful work that we've been doing. We're creating content for the digital space. We're at Born Free, which is my production company. We're making 3 movies. I've just finished doing a beautiful show for television called Ganga, the Soul of India. I finished shooting for my first international Iranian film, and I've always respected Iranian cinema. So it's been truly gratifying working with a really good team there. So yeah, I'm having fun. I'm doing everything that I love.
कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूरी है कि बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स हॉलीवुड में जाके काम करें अगर उन्हें ज़्यादा अर्न मिल रहा हो तो ये ज़रूरी है बॉलीवुड छोड़ के हम हॉलीवुड जाए.
आई थिंक कि किसी को छोड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज़ एक्सप्लोरिंग newer opportunities and expanding their horizons. So and also I think the world is becoming a melting pot. Like communities and countries are working more closely with each other, and communication is opening up courtesy the internet and the fact that English films or other language films are traveling all over the world. Our films are going to countries that they never went to before. English cinema is doing so well in India, and other language films are doing so well in India. So I think it's just that exchange that is creating opportunities for talent, not just acting talent, but all kinds of people who are in the creative business, editors, directors, cinematographers, A very dear friend of mine called Leena Yadav just made an incredible film called Parched, which is releasing very soon. It's a partnership of incredible international talent. You know, Oscar nominees and Oscar award winners working with Indian talent. So yes, times have changed, and thankfully so. Yes, there's going to be a lot more wonderful collaborations we will continue to see.
I want to know about your production. Tell us something about you tell you started your production, you're making the film.
We will talk about my production on a day when we meet for those announcements. Today we're here for Be Blunt, and I'm just going to go back inside and celebrate the launch of this new salon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.